Hey everybody, Icemanfiveoh. We're making a gas station run. I told him to turn it on to race 8, and he's like, how fast can I go? And I was like, as much as you want. So turn the sprint booster on.
All right. Oh, it looks like there's two bikers right there.
Yep.
Nice.
Nice. Yep. Turn on your sprint booster. There we go. Race 8, everybody.
All right, ready?
Yeah. Alright everybody, we'll see you tomorrow, alright? Easy. Shit everybody, 2 engines. You got one there and one there.
Busy night.
Yep. Turn it back on, race 8. And we're gonna do this again. There we go.
Right here?
Nope, past that green sign.
Oh, okay.
Oh, well, I see other cars too, so.
We'll slow down a little bit.
Because that looks sus right there.
Yeah, why is...
The fuck?
Yeah, what the hell is your problem?
What the fuck was that? Alright, go for it. I love this car.
You was trying to go past me. I was going 30, mofo. Whatever.
Yeah. Alright,
He's
guys.
gonna turn left anyway.
Can't resist. Ripping on it.
This car is amazing.
I love this car.
Left. Sorry, neighborhood.
Sorry, not sorry.
Yeah, sorry, not sorry. I'll film in Mexico, don't worry, guys.
Yeah, this is all in Mexico.
Oh, she does not like it.
No.
On 8.
No. It wants to be put full throttle. Shit. He's like, okay, that's enough. Stealth mode.
Playtime is now playtime deactivated.
Everybody, see you later.